Now stack with linked list. Previously we work with the fixed size. Assume we have taken 5 fixed size we have taken, guys. Right, this is stack with fixed size. Now dynamic memory, whenever element you require, okay, we don't know the fixed size, there is no size. Whenever you want, allocate a memory. Whenever you want, allocate a memory. I want to take a number, I want to take a number, dynamic memory you need to take. Okay, linked list. How to take linked list? Whenever you want, increase that memory. Okay, we need a list is required. You know, list means different types. I want only struct student. Example, see, struct student or anything you can take. Node also, anything you can take. S number I have taken. S name also you can take. I don't want to take all that many fields. Only one field I will take. Okay, struct student star next. You know this. This is what self-referential structure. I want to work with this. And which pointer is required, guys? Only one pointer is required. That pointer name is what? Star top. Top equals to previously here -1. Here there is no -1. You need to take a null. Okay. Allocate a memory. Allocate memory. This will be allocated. Two fields, S number and two fields will be allocated. This is S number. This is what? Next. S number. This is next field. Okay, again whenever you want, allocate a memory, insert, display, delete. Okay, how to do this? See, you can understand, guys. See, start with the dynamic memory. I have taken, guys, struct tag and the next field. First I have taken null. First field is top is null. Push element. Okay, what is push? You know, right? There is no overflow, guys. Why? Because dynamic list, right? There is no overflow. Okay, what is push? See this. I create a node, allocate a memory, enter the number into the stack. That element stored. Okay. What is node next is what? Node next is what? Null. First initial node is what? T. What is T I have taken? T is null. First T is created. Right, guys? See, T is created. That node allocated. See this. This is what? First T. Node memory allocated. After that, what we have done? That is I have done as top. It is T I have done. Okay, S number you entered something. What is the next value? Next value, first I have taken null. Guys. This is what I have taken null. First field is null. This is what? First null we need to assign. This is null you assign. S number you assign. After that, null you assign. Null. Yeah, guys. Next, whenever next record is inserted, S number 2 we inserted. What is this? It points to this node. It is pointing to this address. Whatever the previous node address is pointing this. Okay, assume this is 2000 address. If it is 2000 address, 2000 store at this point. Okay, now it is top. Again, next S number 3. Now it is top. Next top value raised by 1, guys. See this node only we created. You are allocating whatever the previous node, that is top address, node next new node address is creating previous node address. It is pointing to previous node. Okay, what is the next? Top is what? Whatever the node is created, that is new node. Okay, there is no overflow, there is no underflow, right? Sorry, overflow will be there, no, not underflow, right? Why? Because we can delete all elements, but dynamic memory means you can enter how many elements you want, you can enter that many elements. This is right. Same. This is displaying also. We know if there is T is null means it is stack is empty. Otherwise, move that cursor. Temporary not equals to null. and display those elements. Okay, while temporary not equals to temporary next. It moves to that next row, it will execute this. Okay, what is this pop operation? Pop operation, if t equals to null, stack underflow. Otherwise, topmost element you need to delete. Topmost element you need to delete. Top value move to the next location. T equals to t next. Go to the next location. That element has to delete. Okay, temporary number has to delete. Temporary number has to delete. Topmost element has to delete. Okay, see guys, I will execute this. That all operations same, insert, delete, same operations. Push to pop. See guys, my stack menu, push pop, show and exit. Push, enter your option. Show, press 3. Is there any elements? Stack is empty. There is no any elements. Okay. Now press 2. Can you delete? We can't delete also. Okay. Now first insert an element. First enter an element into the stack. 10. I inserted. Press 3. Only one element is there. Okay. Now again insert 20. There is no overflow, guys. There is no overflow. Right? 130. We can insert like this. There is no overflow. It will execute this. Which element can be deleted first? Topmost element. 30 can be deleted. Last in, first out. 30 can be deleted. Press 2 now. 30 to pop it out. Okay, what are the elements are there? 20 and 10. Now again, press 3. 20, 10. Which element can be deleted? Last in, first out. 20 can be deleted. Press 3. 20 popped out. Okay, what are the elements are there? 10 is there. Again, press 2. Popped out. Okay, is there any elements? There is no. Stack is underflow. Okay, it comes outside. Guys, clear? Understood this? Push, pop, and operation. Any doubts are there? Guys, start with. Any doubts, guys, in this program? Okay, no? Okay, this is common, right, guys? This is common. Stack with the linked list. This is common, right? This is, you know, this only functions you can write. This is also valid. Only we write push, pop, and delete. Push, pop, and delete. First, guys, take this. First is self-referential structure. Take this. First, take this. You know main function anyway. You know main function. First top is null. Here not -1, guys. If it is array, it is a -1. When it is working with a self-referential structure, top is pointing to null address. Okay, first take a self-referential address, self-referential structure. Okay. Stack with dynamic memory allocation. Stack with dynamic memory location or stack with linked list. Okay, these all are same. Stack with array, stack with linked list, stack with fixed size, stack with dynamic size. Okay. Yeah, guys. Push to pop, push right, guys. Push. This is same. Push call for case 1, push case 2, pop case 3. Otherwise, invalid option. You know this. Okay, push function, guys. Push pop right. Push. Allocate a memory for the node and insert element, and it is pointing to the null. Next node is pointing to null first.